Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from a traditional IRA before age 591/2 detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from a traditional IRA before age 591 halves, start by understanding the rules governing early withdrawals. First, identify your reason for needing the funds. Consider if your situation qualifies for exception categories under the IRS guidelines. This includes first-time home purchases, higher education expenses, or certain medical expenses. Next, calculate the tax implications of early withdrawal. Withdrawals before age 591/2 typically incur a 10% penalty in addition to regular income tax. Review your IRA account terms, as some providers have specific procedures for withdrawals. Log into your IRA provider's website or contact customer service for assistance. Provide necessary documentation that supports your reason for withdrawal if required. Complete the withdrawal form provided by your IRA custodian. Select the amount you wish to withdraw, keeping in mind the tax obligations. Ensure that you specify how you want to receive the funds, whether by check or direct deposit. Double-check all provided information for accuracy before submitting your request. After submission, monitor the status of your withdrawal request through your account. Expect the funds to be distributed within the typical processing time outlined by your provider. Finally, keep records of the transaction for your tax filings. Remember, withdrawing early can affect your retirement savings, so consider consulting a financial advisor if unsure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.